Hello guys, welcome back again to this channel where we make delicious and mouth-watery delicacy. Today I will be showing you how I make this sauce. I call this my #1 sauce. If you want to know how I came up with this, keep watching. And thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. And here are all my ingredients I'll be using today: bay leaf, ginger, garlic and onions. I have my cooked kpomo. I have fresh pepper, groundnut oil, and now I'll be using some bell pepper. Here I went ahead to rough blend everything. This is the water. Please don't throw away the water. I later use it to cook another food because the water is full of nutrients. Here I have my hot oil in my pan already. I allow it to hot, and now I'll be adding my cooked kpomo. I'm going to fry this for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I will show you the next thing to do. After some minutes, I'll go ahead to stir this up. Please make sure you stir it up time to time in order for it not to burn. Now that our cow skin is well fried, I will remove this from the oil. You can fry your cow skin more than this, depending on how you like it. But for me, this is how I like mine. Next, I will add my chopped onions into the oil and fry this for some minutes. And then I will introduce the next ingredient. Now that our onions is well fried, I will go ahead to add my chopped pepper, the one you know you can tolerate, and fry this as well for another minute. Now I will be adding the bay leaf. And next, I will add my thyme. We are building up flavor. And now I will be adding my curry, and then stir this up and allow this to fry for some minutes. Guys, at this point, my kitchen was full of nice aroma. You know what I mean? Now I will be adding my rough blended bell pepper and stir this up as well. I will cover this to cook up for 4 to 6 minutes in a low heat, and then open up my pan. If you have watched this video up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, share and give this video a like so that other people can also watch it. Thank you. Now I will be reintroducing my fried cow skin into the bell pepper stew so that both can marry each other very well. I will be stirring this up at this point, and thereafter I will go ahead to cover up the pot and cook for another 2 to 4 minutes, and then I will open up the pan. At this point, I will be adding my salt, and then I will add my maggi and give everything a stir. And guys, our kpomo sauce is ready. At this point, I went ahead to boil some white rice along with the cow skin sauce. I'll go ahead now and tie my rice in a leaf. Guys, when I paired this up with my kpomo sauce, it was so yummy. And then I later went ahead to boil some egg into it. Please guys, do not hesitate to try this out. I'm telling you, this sauce is mouth-watering sauce, and in short, you will lick your finger while eating it. So try this out and then tag me, share this video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.